Get your brother. Easy.
Oh, Kehnon, no. See, you're hurting. You have to be very nice. There you go. Okay.
What's he got in his mouth? Get your brother. Get Bubba. Give him Eskimo. King, give him Eskimo.
No bite. Give Bubba his bottle.
Give Bubba his bottle, King. Give Bubba his bottle. Hold it up. Clara.
No bite.
Uh-oh. How does this thing work? Give Bubba his bottle. No! 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 It's the big baby monster!
Hey. Hey, did you talk to Clarence?
Yes, you do.
Because he called here looking for you.
Hey, Joshua. Hey, Josh. Hey, Josh. Hey. Hey. What you doing? Hey, Joshua. Hey, Joshua. Hey, Joshua. Hey. 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 Hey there. Hey there, big boy. Hey there, big boy. You're trying to take your sock off. I see that. I see that. Trying to take your sock off. Take your socks off. Take your socks off. Yeah. Hey, puppy. Hey, Clara. Hey, Clara.
What you doing?
All right.
All right.
I'm going to tape a day in life with Kehnon. This is where it begins. Today is 12/5/1990. This was while I was on the phone. I'm going to show these videos to him. When he's older.
Here we go. That's a good boy. All right.
Oh, Clara.
Here we are. Night time, right? How about a kiss? Give me a kiss. No, that's bad. You're getting carried away. All right, here we are.
And here's the little culprit.
Okay.
What are you doing, Kehnon?
Stand, you don't start the bed, buddy.
What are you doing? Are you being bad?
Good night. There we
Hey,
go.
Kehnon. Hey, Kehnon. Oh, and Bubba's got it too.
That was great. How about up? Incredible. How about again? All right. Hey. All right. Good boy. No, wait a minute.
Hey, Joshua.
I've been working with him.
Hey, Joshua.
Now, for the
Joshua.
routine, how long does that take?
Joshua.
Oh.
Hey, Josh. Joshua.
What we did here about 2 years.
Joshua.
Of every day working. No,
Joshua's too into TV.
you've got an attitude, buddy. I haven't given you the cue yet. Now, are there certain breeds that do better tricks? I mean,
I guess who has to clean all this up?
That'd be one of the Mustang, like a wild
Mommy.
Mustang, would be a good bronc horse at the rodeo. Appaloosa
Yeah.
is a good trick horse.
Guess who's gonna get a spanking?
Horse circuit. Then you have the,
Who's gonna get a spanking, Kehnon?
So different breeds for different things.
Say bye-bye. See you later.
Way to go!
Bye, Clara.
Well, routine, listen up, honey, all right? Hey, gang, 1, 2, 3, squeeze, slow.
Now, I swear to you, this is not staged, so this is back-to-back to the incident that happened yesterday. So this is honestly a day in my life with Kehnon.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Yeah.
What is this?
Yeah. Here.
Boy, you are in trouble. With a capital T. In trouble. Who's gonna get a double bad spanking? Kehnon? There he is. This is who is into. Say bye-bye. I'm going to get my spanking now. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. This is 12/6/1990. Approximately 10:30. Say see ya. We're leaving now to clean up this mess. Maybe I'll make some gravy or something. But we have a solution for our monster. Yes. This is Kehnon's cage. Hi, Kehn. How you doing in there?
Raoul knew about a relationship with you and took the U.S. attorney to delay his trial.
Come on out for 2 minutes.
Not the best facts to go to trial on. But I'm innocent.
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
Whoop, whoop.
Established a former business relationship with Fernandez. And that the monies received were repayments on a loan. We also established other instances whereby I gave financial assistance to other worthy students.
Night-night, Keen. Night-night.
Louisa and I are just...
Bye-bye.
That's my call.
You got two choices. Get yourself in a...
Hello.
Give me my daughter.
Hey. Dance. Keenan.
Introducing Red Lobster's new menu with 22 delicious new creations, like shrimp Milano, tender shrimp and broccoli in a luscious Parmesan sauce. Come to Red Lobster. They're
Now, boys. Hi, Joshua. Hi, Joshua. Yuck. Don't go in there. Don't go in there. Boy, boy. Hey. Kehnon. Hanging shades. That's where I'm going here. This is what David's been working on. Night night. Tell Mama night night. Night night. An artist is born. Hi, Sassy. Night night.
Oh, shoot.
Hi, Kehnon.
No, I didn't think so.
December 19th, 1990.
I can't. Dude, this is a major blowout. Samantha is friends with guys who know guys in the media.
Kehnon, what's that?
Whitney's there.
What's that?
Light.
Now,
Now these
good
get hot.
genius. Think of something.
Well, they don't.
You could probably plug right into this.
Nana. Wave, Nana. Wave.
We have to give away.
Are you all right?
Yeah, fine. What's the special? 2 casserole. You could have just said it.
I smell something burning. I'm not kidding. Oh, it's coffee.
Here.
Let me stay. I want to work. I want to work.
Dr. Hauser, we already have enough
Look, you're
people
in the right
with
place.
flu.
Well,
If you're sick, I don't want you infecting others. Go home.
well spaced from the other one.
Okay.
I need one more bowl.
Nurse, can you see about my reindeer? They were supposed to be here by now. And do you validate?
Yeah, the real dame might have used a kid.
We're here in the corner.
Those are going to be on the tree.
Merry Christmas, young lady. Is there anything special? You know what it is. My mother was a nurse. No, Gibson. Happens all the time. It's just coincidence. So tell me, Carolyn Spaulding, where can your guy get Fritz sent you on while he's waiting? And how would I get you to join me? Will you?
Yeah.
This might be cool.
Good.
I'll show you a book from you years ago. Would you?
Something missing from these pictures? Yeah, me. It's done.
Actually, I'd like to dabble in real estate.
Well, who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Who are you?
We gotta hurry so fast.
Kehnon! Yes, it's bedtime. Santa Claus is coming!
Come on.
Your message is incoming faxes. I transcribed that deposition for you, and I have to... From overhead lights in here, is that a light thing?
Yeah. Kehnon! Rip it open, baby. It's yours. Go on, open it.
Open it up!
Rip, rip.
Rip it up!
Tear it apart.
We do everything else.
Yay! That's a boy, that's a boy.
There you go. Tear it apart. Pull it apart. Yeah. Keep going.
He's a natural.
Fly will do this to everyone he sees. Keep going. Pull it. Around this way and pull. Turn around. Pull that. Ooh. Ooh. What is that?
See what you got?
Let's open the top of it.
Kehnon, let me see. Ooh.
Pull it out. Pull it out. Grab it. Pull it out. Oh, it's hooked at the bottom. Let's get scissors.
We're going to take a break.
Look at there.
Well, flip that Coming up at Isaac. Hello? Hey. How's it going? Yeah, what's up?
You like that, Kehnon?
You see anything?
Oh, Josh.
Hey, listen, Helen, we
yeah.
talked about that interview today. What is it? We just expecting you to start out. Someone has a very ugly turnout. What hour how will it take my trip to Florida?
So we can start. I'm supposed to start on my principles to stroke the overboard ego of some...
Wild pressure to tell her. You understand?
They think the value of a human being is based on how much money they can generate.
Yeah.
Mark our children's heights every year on their birthdays.
Hey, Kehnon, what are you doing? Hey, what you into this time? Huh? You're supposed to be in bed. What's that on your face? That's yucky stuff. He's a bad boy. He's always getting into some yucky stuff, making a mess. You're supposed to be in bed. It's 11 o'clock.
Clara.
Yeah. What is that stuff on your face? Huh? What is that stuff? Huh? Have you been bad? Hey, have you been bad? That's yucky stuff.
Yeah.
Well, there he is, once again. Trouble. Trouble. Hey, Trouble. What are you doing?
Okay.
Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye so we can go get cleaned up. Bye-bye. Look here. Bye-bye. Where's your mama?
And Mama.
Where is she?
And Mama.
She's not here to see this. She would be very, very mad.
Oh.
Say bye-bye.
And Bear.
Yeah. Bear's cleaner than you are. Bye-bye.
For 7 long months, my mother deteriorated, and if it hadn't been for my Aunt Josephine teaching me...
I'm gonna get you. Ooh, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Come on. Come on. Come on and crawl. Get down on this foot. Come on. Crawl. Get it. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Woo! Boo. Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna get you. That smile just goes about on the way, don't it? Yeah, him does. Get down on them footsies. Get down on them footsies. Move your footsies, move them hands, move them footsies. Get up on them things. Come on, do it. Come on. Move that hand, my father. Get up. Move that hand forward. Come on. We're gonna crawl. We're gonna crawl. Come on. Move them hands forward. Get up on your legs. Move them. Move them. Move them hands. Move those hands. You rascal, you be crawling forward. Soon, well, don't put your foot out there like that. Go on. Get down on them knees. This rug's rough on his knees. Say, Grandma, that's rough. Get down there. Oh, Lordy. Whew, that hurts. You laugh now, won't you? Crawl. Come on. Come on. Come on, crawl. Move them hands forward. Move them. Move them.
See what these boys are doing.